What is up, guys? Welcome to the channel. um I think the first question that you guys might have is, where have I been? Guys, so here's a few dealers in Paul, right? So where I live, and not everyone is as friendly and accept me to do videos. I've been to Audi before. I haven't been to Audi inside the dealers of yet. This is Audi right here. I've been to BMW Paulberg as well as NTT a few times now. And so in my experience, guys, VW NTT Paul and BMW Paulberg were the only two dealers that allowed me to do videos. So as you guys can see, this is NTT Audi. I haven't been to Audi yet. I've made one video at Audi, and that was basically a car that stood outside. So basically, guys, so today I'm making a video on the new VW Polo. I think a lot of you guys have been waiting for this review. And so, guys, I haven't seen this car up in person as of yet, but let's see, guys, let's see. I'm quite excited actually to see this car. So right, this is the Polo, guys. Let's take a walk around quickly before I give any details. You guys can see the car clearly. So yeah, as you guys can see, the car does look the same in a way as the previous car. Yeah, so this is the exterior, guys, and it does quite look nice in black. This is actually one color I would prefer in the new Polo. Guys, in front of us is the Polo Life. So this is the second car in the lineup. You don't get the 2022 Polo as a trendline anymore. The base Polo is only now called the Polo. So then in front of us is the Polo Life, which replaces the Comfortline. Then you get the R line, and then the GTI. So guys, this car looks pretty nice in black. So I'm gonna go to the price so you guys can see what the actual price of this car is. So the base price is 304,000 rand, and that is without the extras. But this is the total price, guys, 418,000 rand. But yeah, so basically the car starts at 331,000 rand. That is now for the entry model, and then you get this Life. So guys, as you guys can see, this car looks a bit more grown up. It looks more like a baby Golf 8 with the new headlights, as well as the front bumper design. So yeah, it looks like a mixture of the previous Polo and a Golf 8, but definitely a more sleeker design. So that is the front, guys. You also get this chrome strip that runs from the headlight to the other headlight on the previous Polo as well. You didn't get it on a trend line, you got it at the Comfort line and the High line. So let's move to the side. This car comes with 16-inch wheels, guys. I believe they call it the Valencia wheels, right? And you got steel brakes up front, but you get drum brakes at the back, guys. I don't know why VW opt to put drum brakes at the back, but yeah. So as you guys can see, the side profile it's more or less the same as the previous Polo. What you get the same line, from the front to the back, right, which runs into the rear taillights. Oh, and this car comes with a very nice panoramic sunroof, guys. It is an extra option for the R line and the Life. And then we come to the rear, which is one of the main things that stands out between this car and the previous car. And a lot of people like it. In my personal opinion, I'm not a fan of the rear taillights, but they are LEDs, guys. So with this car you can opt for chrome diffusers. This is one extra that the car doesn't have. And then also the boot, guys. So you get the same 351 liters of boot space from this car and the previous Polo. Get nice hooks there as well. So if you fold the seats flat, guys, you get 951 liters of boot space. And I don't believe this car has an extra of a rear parking camera. But yeah, let's see further, guys. So this is the rear. So let's take a look inside, guys. Okay, so you get cloth seats. Yeah, basically the same as the previous generation Polo, guys. Looks quite nice with the sunroof open. And you get the USB-C charging points right there. Yeah, and it's basically plastic, guys. It's all plastic at the back. Let's move to the front. So guys, this is what you see when you open the car. You see the new digital cockpit and the 18-inch display, infotainment display. And I must say, guys, the sunroof makes a big difference in the way the car feels inside. Right, you get this cloth seats right here, your armrest, and you get this fake carbon fiber look on the dashboard right here. Yeah, but it's basically the same as the previous Polo. You get the 5-speed manual gearbox. You can get the Polo Life in a 7-speed DSG gearbox. But yeah, guys, basically cloth right here, plastic on the side. As you guys can see, this fake carbon fiber right here, and your lock and unlock. You get the leather steering wheel, multifunction steering wheel, right, as well as a start-stop button right here with your park assist. So that's the front, guys. Right, guys, so basically, so this is a 1 liter turbocharged petrol engine, guys. With a full tank you can get 755 kilometers. So you get less petrol on a full tank on this car than the previous car. You got about 889 kilometers on the previous Polo. So yeah, guys, I mean, this car does look, in my personal opinion, it looks okay in person. Yeah, so comment down below, guys, what you guys think about this car. I mean, VW made a few tweaks on the exterior to make it look more modern. I just got asked why I make videos in the dealer here. But yeah, that is one of the things I get when I make videos in the dealer. They ask me why I make videos, for who I make videos for. But yeah, guys, this is a 2022 Polo. Comment down below what you guys think. and I'll catch you guys on the next one. So another thing I want to say about the VW Polo, guys, is that Volkswagen focus more on the technology of the car than the driving experience itself. That's why all models comes with a digital cockpit and an infotainment system, which is touchscreen. So yeah, guys, this is a review of the 2022 Polo, and comment down below, guys, what you guys want to see next. So as you guys can see, that is the previous generation Polo. Looks the same, more or less. But yeah, guys, subscribe to the channel. I want to thank everyone for subscribing to the channel, liking the videos. Sorry for being quiet through the couple of weeks that I've been gone. But yeah, guys, I'm back. Comment down below what you guys want to see next, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.